Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix unexpected error occurred on Facebook. So you have to just simply go to settings and click to apps and again click to apps and find for Facebook. So it will be loading, takes 3 or 4 seconds. So when it's load, so scroll down to find Facebook. You have to find Facebook. When you find it, so you have to click it on Facebook and click to storage and clear cache. So go back to your home screen and also check the internet connection over Wi-Fi or over internet data connection. So your internet connections has been strong. So I will open the Facebook and it will be running accurately. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.